Foundation University has a strong regard for the environment and the planet as a whole. Thus, the university firmly stands by its advocacy on education for the preservation of man and his environment. Its environmental policy centers on the implementation of its Environment is Everyone's Everyday Concern, or EEEC program. Foundation University's mission and vision statements on environment are based on the following constitutional laws. Environmental programs. In line with its environmental pursuit through the EEEC program, the entire campus of Foundation University has been updated to become environmentally friendly. Among the many other initiatives, the following programs have been practiced: Energy Efficiency and Conservation Program, Water Conservation Program, Integrated Waste Management Program, Paper Conservation Program, Pollution Prevention Program. Energy Efficiency and Conservation Program. The Energy Management Program of Foundation University is an ambitious attempt to address the rising cost of energy while caring for the environment. Here are the major components of FU's Energy Management Program. Application of green building design principles. The designs of buildings and structures in the university maximize the use of natural lighting and ventilation. This results in reduced energy consumption in classrooms, offices, libraries, and other facilities. Installation and maintenance of the solar project. Since the installation of the solar PV facility, the university has saved an average of 120,000 pesos per month on its energy costs. The solar panels have generated a total of approximately 28,000 kilowatt hours. This means that for the last 10 months, the university operations has reduced its carbon footprint by almost 25,000 kilograms of carbon dioxide. Use of LED lights, solar-powered lights, and automatic sensors. About 40% of all light bulbs on campus are now LED. The goal is to convert the remaining fluorescent lamps into LED in the next 2 years. This is to save electrical power. About 50% of lamps used outside at night are all solar-powered and are equipped with motion sensors, thus further saving energy. Rooms are also equipped with motion sensor switches for electric fans. Consistent implementation of energy conservation policies and other saving methods. Energy conservation policies are distributed through inter-office memo and posting of reminders in strategic places on campus. Turning off the energy-consuming devices when not in use. Turning on air conditioning units 30 minutes after 8 a.m. and turning off air condition 30 minutes before 5 p.m. The biogas digester is also another saving method used at the FU demo farms. Water Conservation Program. The university's water conservation program includes rainwater conservation, 95% unpaved campus. About 95% of the university's total area is either covered with green grass or gravel. Most of its walkways are not fully cemented, while parking lots are also covered with pebbles. This permeable system allows rainwater to penetrate the soil in order to recharge the aquifer and prevent flooding and overflowing. Moreover, the campus ponds, the social garden fish pond, for example, stores rainwater and serves as a reservoir during the dry season. Banaca River Conservation Program. The university also looks after the Banaca River that flows right behind FU's main campus. Aside from the weekly cleanup activities, the university also holds medical and dental missions, livelihood lectures, sports clinics, meant to benefit the people living along the river. It also conducts an information drive for the residents along its path to help in restoring and maintaining the cleanliness of the river. Aquaculture and aquaponics system for recycling water. The university aquaponics hydroponics system greatly helps in recycling and conserving the water used in the fish ponds, as well as in cultivating the plants in the water. This is a sustainable food production system that combines conventional aquaculture with hydroponics in a symbiotic environment. Water-free urinals. The university has installed water saver devices and flushers for its water-free urinals. Aside from saving much water, FU is proud of its exceptionally clean and odorless comfort rooms. Periodic monitoring of water portability. The university regularly monitors its water portability. The results of these inspections are posted on all drinking faucets throughout the university. Integrated Waste Management Program. The university strongly promotes its zero waste management program done through efficient waste segregation at source and recycling. An organization of working students called the Roots Society leads the implementation of waste segregation at the university. Properly labeled bins are placed in strategic places around the campus. Recycling of used wood and metal enables the university to save on the cost of furniture and repairs of existing facilities. Also, on a weekly basis, the university's work scholars sell the collected recycled material at nearby shops. The profit of the sale are divided equally among the in-house work scholars and are used to buy food and school supplies. The biomechanical goat as urban composting machine, vermicomposting, and material recycling facility. The biomechanical goats, or BMG, shortens the process of making compost from 6 weeks to just 21 days. The university maintains 5 BMG units at its MRF to be used in producing compost for the ornamental plants around the university campus. An average of 150 kilos of compost are produced on campus per month. This helps the university to save on the cost of commercial fertilizers for the plants. This is roughly equivalent to a savings of 600 pesos per month. The municipality of Manghuyud also uses the BMG for its solid waste management program. On the other hand, FU maintains a vermicomposting facility at the demo farm in Danghai, adopting the no burning policy. This allows for all farm waste to be productively utilized. Charcoal briquette making facility for twigs and other biodegradable materials. The charcoal briquette making facility, invented by the university, converts biodegradable waste such as twigs, cut branches, and many others into green charcoal briquettes, which will be used as fuel for both the cocoa sugar and clay processing operations of the university. Waste-to-energy technology employed. Foundation University is maintaining the biogas digesters to manage solid waste from the school's swine and dairy farms. This means more energy savings and better management of generated waste. IEC led by students. Making proper SWM a culture. The implementation of solid waste management program and creating awareness among the university's constituents are the major moves to the program's sustainability. The program has formed a new culture on the campus through recycling projects, information dissemination through posters, and conducting seminars. Paper conservation program. The entire university has an online system to establish paperless transactions for all students and employees. Enrollment, class records, faculty and staff evaluation, transcript of records, requisition, everything is done online. environmental awards received, and any other significant environment-related features of the school. Foundation University was a regional winner for the college category in the 2013 Search for Sustainable and Eco-Friendly Schools. Through the assistance of its students, faculty, and staff, the university has also organized the implementation of some environment-related initiatives in Dumaguete, like the construction of a walkable city of gentle people, the Perdices Promenade, the road-sharing movement, and the Critical Mass, a cycling event held on the last Friday of every month. FU has already signed a MOA with EMB7 as responsible partner in the installation of the telemetry ambient air monitoring equipment inside its premises. Another remarkable effort of FU is its tree growing program. The tree planting activities of its students are responsible for the growth of an estimated 2,000 mangroves in Amlan and Tanghai, 150 trees along the Banica River, and 100 coconut trees in Talay. The mangroves in Amlan have helped protect the coastline along the area and are slowly restoring the place that was once devastated by Typhoon Sendong. Other environment-related programs. Studio Damgo. Studio Damgo is the first design and build program in the Philippines that requires the fifth-year architecture students of Foundation University to create, design, and build a structure to benefit people in their community. In 2013, the first Studio Damgo team erected a daycare located in a remote area of Barangay Malaunay, Valencia. The second project was a multi-purpose hall that caters to the typhoon victims and locals in Barangay Bahumpandan. The most recent endeavor was a floating marine sanctuary center built on the waters of Barangay Bantayan. The Marine Reserve now functions as a training and educational facility for fish wardens and locals in the area. This year, the fourth cycle of Studio Damgo is set to build a macro-scale project, a visitor center to be located at the Dumaguete City Port. Road sharing. Foundation University also supports a cause on road sharing in which motorists, cyclists, and pedestrians have equal share of the roads. Pedestrianization. In line with the advocacy on walkable communities, the university leads in the move towards having pedestrianized roads in Dumaguete. This is to encourage people to walk, at the same time help lessen air pollution caused by vehicles. Foundation University student government organized the Peace One Day at the Bainitan to completely close from vehicles the street along the Bainitan area of the public market on September 21, 2014. Dumaguete Adventure Marathon. This is now renamed Greyhound Adventure Marathon, and it's mainly organized by Foundation University. The event aims to uphold wellness and adventure as well as peace. Rice is life. Foundation University celebrates life by continually promoting the responsible use of rice. Winners of activities such as Greyhound Adventure Marathon are given sacks of rice as prizes. A cooking contest with brown rice as the main ingredient is also done yearly, sponsored by Foundation University's Culinary Arts Department. Cocoa sugar. The university supports the utilization of organic elements like cocoa sugar to promote health and wellness. The low glycemic sweetener is an excellent alternative for persons with diabetes.